If you're managing work in ProofHub, creating tasks is the key to keeping your projects organized and your team on schedule. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create tasks in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and open the project where you want to add tasks. Once you're inside the project, navigate to the Tasks section. Before adding individual tasks, you may want to create a task list. Task lists help you group related work, making larger projects easier to organize. Next, click the Add Task or New Task button. Enter a clear task name so everyone on your team understands exactly what needs to be done. You can now add a detailed description, attach files, include useful links, or write instructions to give your team all the information they need. Assign the task to yourself or another team member. This clearly defines responsibility and helps everyone know who owns each task. Next, choose a due date and, if available, set the task priority. Deadlines and priorities help your team focus on the most important work first. Once everything looks good, click Save or Create Task. Your new task will immediately appear in the task list and be ready for tracking. As work moves forward, team members can update task status, add comments, upload files, and mark tasks as complete to keep everyone informed. And that's how to create tasks in ProofHub. Keeping your tasks organized with clear descriptions, deadlines, and assignments makes project management much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.